Hello and welcome to installibre. Today we're taking a look at Sabayon, installation media version 17.03. Sabayon is a Gentoo-based rolling release distribution designed to be good out-of-the-box experience. Sabayon comes with a choice of GNOME, KDE, Xfce, Mate, and Fluxbox editions. Today we'll tackle the first one in the list, GNOME. Unlike Gentoo, which is installed by compiling the entire system including the kernel from source, Sabayon by default is installed from binary packages. The installer is Anaconda, which many of you know from CentOS and Fedora. It's slick and easy to use. We simply set our installation options and wait. Upon reboot, the welcome screen gives us a few important links, and we discover that Google Chrome is pre-installed as the default browser of Sabayon. Let's look through the list of what else is available out of the box. A good selection of the usual suspects, such as Evolution, Rhythmbox, LibreOffice Transmission, HexChat, my favorite IRC client, is there as well. We have the MPV media player, Pitivi video editor, GParted partition editor. Overall, a well-rounded selection for all basic needs. Sabayon is running GNOME version 3.20.2 at the time of recording and uses the very popular Arc GTK theme. Having used Gentoo as my daily driver before, I decided to see how does its binary derivative tackle package management. Equo command line utility is used to handle the binary side of things. I update the repositories and a notification arrives saying I have 2 updates available. I initiate the upgrade from the command line, and it turns out we have not 2 but 458 packages available. I set that aside for the moment and decide to investigate the Gentoo heritage, which is portage, aka ports, aka source packages. I sync the portage tree with the familiar Gentoo emerge command, but in the case of Sabayon that's not enough. We also have to sync the so-called overlays, which are additional portage trees custom to Sabayon. To do that, we use the layman utility. I come back to the binary updates and try out the graphical application manager. I have to accept a few licenses and the program tells me to go make some coffee as the lengthy process of installing all 458 packages begins. Package management in Sabayon may be reminiscent of FreeBSD, where the entire OS is separated into the base system, binary packages, and the ports tree, all 3 requiring a dedicated utility to manage. In case of Sabayon, it's a little more confusing because just the portage tree itself requires 2 utilities. Although to a Linux novice or someone not wishing to deal with building packages from source, the built-in binary package manager should be sufficient. Package management in Sabayon as a whole left me with mixed feelings, however. Compiling packages including the kernel itself from source is a big part of the Gentoo experience. While it's possible in Sabayon, the way it's done here may be confusing to newcomers. Overall, Sabayon is a great-looking distribution that will suit many people with its nice looks and generous package selection. Gentoo is known for its stability, and I hope it translated well into Sabayon. As the cow says, subscribe to installibre channel. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.